I was just about to tell you, call the wife. Tell the wife to come look at it. All right, guys, look at this right here. Look at this right here. Wow. Look at this right here, man. Dry to the touch. Ooh-wee, look at that. Now look, guys, we haven't even done this one yet. We just cleaned it and then I hit it with the 500. So I got to build this one up to. Look at that. My client was standing from there. He said, ooh wee. Check that out.
Don't you be putting me on you.
I'm not. Oh, that looks so much better?
So much better.
Yeah, you can touch it. Yep, look at that.
So much better.
Yes, ma'am.
See, best I can figure, they didn't do anything to it. Maintain it.
Yeah, yep.
Well, they were so
I know.
elderly.
But did it look like this?
No.
No.
They're so elderly.
It
Oh,
looked like
yeah.
this when they moved in, probably.
Yep.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.